Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is how to boost your immune system to fight any kind of disease in your body. When we are talking about boosting the immune system, we are talking about home remedy or any medication that can help you, that can supply your body with enough vitamins, especially vitamin C, for immune system boosting. So garlic is one of them. Garlic helps to boost immune system. Garlic is very common in our side, like you might be seeing it, but maybe you wouldn't know that it has so many health benefits. So garlic glue will help you to boost your immune system. It will help you to boost your immune system and fight any kind of disease in your body. So you have to get like 8 garlic cloves. Like now I'm peeling off the back, I want to get 8 cloves from it. I'm getting 8 garlic cloves, so it will be enough to get the water from it. Yes, once you have gotten the 8, then you wash it off. It's 8 here. You have to wash it, then cut it into pieces. Cut the garlic cloves into pieces for easy extraction of the nutrients that will help to boost the immune system. Done with cutting it into pieces, then you have to get another saucepan and your water. Just be ready to use a very clean saucepan or pot, anything you have, and add enough water to the saucepan or pot. Like for example, you can measure 5 cups of water to it and use, and pour your garlic, the one you have cut into pieces, pour it inside the pot where you have already poured the water. Then put it to boil on the flame. Put it on the flame and let it boil up to 100 degrees Celsius. You'll be seeing how it will be boiling. Just be watching it till it reaches to 100 degrees Celsius to extract all the nutrients from it. You have to off the flame, let it cool before you can take it. Then you can pour it inside a flask or anything you have, or a container, and store in a fridge, in a refrigerator. You can continue to drink it daily to boost your immune system to fight any kind of disease. Remember to also eat the garlic. Not only the water you have to drink, you have to also take the garlic as well. So after you have pour the one you have done inside a container that you will use to store it, remember to also take, you can just take with your glass or anything, then store it in the fridge. This garlic is very good. It will help to fight any kind of disease and boost your immune system. You have to pour the one you can drink inside a sombra or any grass you have, then use it to take it, and also take from the garlic. Also eat the garlic as well. Drink the water and eat the garlic. As you can see, I'm drinking it. I have been taking it since these days, and it has been helping me. I haven't fallen sick. And also I also like to chop the garlic, eat the garlic as well, not only the water. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.